How's it going? Today I want to talk to you about this rubber landmine. So they call it a landmine because you can put a 2-inch Olympic barbell inside the slot here, and then it has these grips going on over here, and what that's going to do is going to keep it in place. Ideally, you'd want to put this into the corner where the wall meets the ground at that right angle, and this is going to keep the bar from marring up that wall or the ground. It'll save your equipment and it'll save your wall. It's got a little bit of weight to it. You might be able to do this just out in the open. It might be able to grip, but I prefer to have it against the wall because a lot of weight is going up and down on the bar, and it just makes sense to have that extra support of the wall with this. I really like it because it stays on tight. This is a pretty thick rubber, and you can just slot it in. It does take a little bit of effort to get off the bar once you're finished, but you'll be able to do your row exercises if you have an attachment for the bar, or you could do the ones where you're pressing the bar upwards to get a nice upper body, shoulder, and arm workout. It's a really great versatile tool to have because it just increases the amount of exercises you can get done.